guys, how to A- HTML use in Java. Then website, double button click, right click, new text document, HTML to Java dot HTML. Others cut, enter, again enter click, right button click, open with subline text, HTML to Java. Then HTML boilerplate HTML to Java convert. Now write a body tag is for hello world. Hello world. Then down Java written script sc script tag. Now export tag write it equal to hi. Now write document dot get element by id, first bracket, one quotation, then get id hi is for id hi. Now write hi semicolon. Now control S save, then right button click, open with Google Chrome. Hello world. Hello world. Look nice. Hello world. Hello world. Alert function in Java. Hello world. Hello world. Now write one tag. How are you? ID. Any name of ID. Any. Control C copy. Enter. Control V paste. Now write replace to hi any. Control S save. Then browse. Refresh. How are you? Hello world. How are you? Then HTML get Java program. Again h2 tag source in US country id name is con. Now replace hi, id name is con. Control S save, then browse my choice in USA country. Hello guys, thank you for watching my channel. Subscribes now. Okay, thank you for watching.